Namaste. Welcome to Sanskrit Tag Inner Awareness. In classical yoga, it is said in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. चले वाते चलम चित्तम निश्चले निश्चलम भवे योगी स्थाणु त्वम आपनोति ततो वायुम निरोधये. It means when the breath is unsteady, the mind is unsteady. When the breath becomes still, the mind becomes still. In continuation of practice of the inner awareness, we will use simple breathing techniques to support balance in the nervous system. At the first, find a comfortable seated position and gently close your eyes. Just begin by noticing your natural breath. No need to change anything. Simply observe the inhalation and the exhalation. Allow the body to settle. Now, slowly deepen your breath. Inhale gently through the nose and exhale slowly. Feel the breath moving in the chest and the abdomen. Let the exhalation become slightly longer than the inhalation. Now we introduce a simple rhythm. Inhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue at your own pace. Longer exhalation signals safety to the nervous system. Let the body soften with each breath out. Now release the counting. Return to natural breath. Simply observe the breath as it flows. Notice the calmness, the stillness. There is nothing to do. Just be aware. Gently bring awareness back to the body. Notice how you feel now. Slowly open your eyes. This simple breathing practice can be used anytime to support balance and calmness. Thank you for practicing. Subscribe to Sanskrit Tag Inner Awareness for more guided practices. Stay aware, stay steady.